Hello students, we'll continue with our lesson number 8, air and water. Today we are going to read about water cycle. What is water cycle? The natural cycle of water in which the water changes from one form to another. Okay, so what happens in this water cycle? We have already discussed the different forms of water and how do the forms of water change, right? So this is we are going to read here in the water cycle how do water changes its forms from one form to another, and it's a continuous cycle. That's why it's called a water cycle. It keeps on going. So it starts with evaporation. Okay, so you can see here evaporation. What happens in evaporation? The water changes from water to water vapor, from liquid to gas. So what happens in evaporation? The water gets heated and the water turns into a water vapor. You can see here in the diagram, the water is filled in the water bodies like lake, sea, ocean, ponds, rivers. So with the sun's heat, the water gets heated and it turns into a gas. That's a steam or a water vapor, and it rises up. So this is about evaporation, changing of water into a water vapor. Okay, or you can say changing of a liquid into a gas. That's evaporation. Condensation. After evaporation comes condensation. What happens in condensation? As the water vapor rises up, right? Water vapor is a gas. Again, it cool down and turn back into water droplets. So this is condensation. You can see here in the diagram, water vapors are rising. As they cool down, they turn back into water droplets. That's condensation, means changing of gas into a liquid. So the form of water is changing. Yes. Next one is precipitation. What is precipitation? Falling of water. That's precipitation. Water falling down as hailstones or rain or snow. That's precipitation. So you can see here different forms of precipitation like falling of rain, snow, hail. Okay, so these are the different forms of precipitation. You can see here precipitation, a form of water that falls on the earth's surface. It may be in the form of rain, it may be in the form of sleet or snow, hail. All these are the different forms of precipitation. So let's have a quick revision of, I'll show you the diagram once again of the water cycle. Now I hope all have understood the water cycle. It starts with evaporation. Number one, what happens in evaporation? The water that is filled in the lake, sea, pond, river, ocean, the water bodies, the water gets heated by the sun rays and it rises up. It turns into water vapor and it rises up. As the water vapor cool down, they turn back into water droplets. That is condensation, right? When the clouds and the formation of clouds, the clouds are being formed, right? And as the clouds become very heavy, they fall down in the form of rain or snow, right? So that's precipitation, falling of water on the earth's surface. And then again the water gets filled in the water bodies. Then again evaporation, condensation and precipitation. So read the same topic from the book.